Hey guys, welcome back. This is the 10th video of our Proven Race Frequently Asked Questions series. In this video, we will see 10 more questions which frequently asked. Okay, so let's start with the first question of this video. What is the difference between allow nil and allow blank validation options? Okay, what do you mean by strict and conditional validations? When do you need to skip callbacks? List a few of the methods. By using them, you can skip callbacks. Okay, so as we discussed in the last video, that update attribute is used for skipping the callbacks. There are other methods as well that you can find on the active record validations guide. Okay, is it possible to send emails without rendering a template in Rails? If yes, how you will do this? Yes, it is possible because to send email in Rails, the template is not necessary. You can send as a text format as well. Okay, but you have to practice that, and you can see the solution on Action Controller Guide on Rails Guide. Sorry, Action Mailer Guide on the Rails Guide. 9.5. What is the difference between deliver now and deliver later methods for sending email? Okay. So you can also find the answer of this question is on Action Mirror Guide on Proven Reels. What do you mean by absurd? Okay, this question has not been asked from me yet, but I checked this that it is the new feature introduced since Rails 6, and you can try this at your end and you can find the solution or answer on Active Record Guide. Yeah, Active Record Rails Guide. What do you mean by session storage in Rails? Explain. Sessions, as we know, important part, and we need most of the times to implement to handle the session between two requests. And you can find answer this question at the Action Controller Guide on Rails Guide. What do you mean by session hijacking? You can find the answer of this as a Securing Rails Application Guide. And what are the main features of asset pipelines in Rails? So you can find the answer of this on asset managing asset pipeline in Rails. By the way, the main feature of asset pipeline is to serve the static assets of your application like JS, CSS, images, and other files as well. Okay. And this is the 100th question. We get the century here. That what do you mean by page caching, action caching, and fragment caching? That you can find it in advanced Rails concepts guide section. Okay, and because I have only used page caching rather than action caching and fragment caching, so I'm not able to answer here. But you can practice this because this question has been asked from me one time. Okay, so but rarely used now, so I did not prepare it, but you can do it your end as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this. There are many more parts of such questions are coming. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe, and subscribe the channel for more.